Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an Ipsy Glam bag review, and I received my bag for April, and yeah, I'm super excited. It's something to look forward to with everything that's going on. I love getting these bags. You guys saw if you haven't seen my last video, I did make a review of the first one that I got last month, and I loved it. So let's see what they have in this one. Okay, so the first thing here is the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. And this one says intensely hydrating oil-free water gel, contains revolutionary cumulative hydration release technology that instantly locks moisture to skin and increases retention for up to 5 days. A nutrient-charged blend of peptides, vitamins, minerals strengthens the skin's barrier for smooth, plump, baby soft skin. It says to use morning and PM, massage over face, neck, and chest, and follow with sunscreen during the day. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the little box. I'm thinking this is a sample size because it's tiny. All this box for this tiny little thing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a little gel. Let's see what this feels like on my hand. Oh, it has like a cool feeling, like a cooling gel type feeling. So it's like a hydrating. I'm excited about it. I wish it was bigger, so that's my first thing. Obviously, I wish this was a full size, but let's see what this price is for it. They did include a little card that shows what the price is for like the full size items. So this one says it is, the full size version of this product is $60. This is the little deluxe sample, it says. Okay. Then, and this is the little bag for this month. It's really cute. Little spring floral bag. I love little spring florals. It has like this little thing here. It's super cute. Okay, the next item here is this lipstick. I'm actually wearing the lipstick, but I did want to show you guys. This lipstick is this lipstick is from Lovecraft Beauty Lipstick in the color Fausta. It's like a nude color. As you can see, that's the one I'm wearing. I think it's really pretty. I love nudes or like a light brown. This one retails for $22. And yeah, it's really pretty. As you can see, it's just like the perfect nude. I like really light brown colors or like a nude color like this. I think it's super pretty. You can wear this with anything. So I'm loving this lipstick. So this is a win. The next item is, I actually needed one of these, the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer by Kokie Cosmetics. The color is medium beige, and dot concealer anywhere to even out and brighten up your skin. This one retails for $8. So let's see. Oh, my lighting here is a little too bright right now, but it's perfect. It's like my actual skin color, which I love. You're supposed to use a beauty sponge, but I'm just gonna kind of like blend it with my fingers right now because that's what we're doing right now. Just dab it. This is perfect because I really needed one so bad in my actual color, because the one that I had was not this color. It was actually too dark for me. So that's perfect. I'm happy with that. The next one is another liner. This one is by Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in All Be Black. This one retails for $11.99. And I got one in the last bag too. I don't need that many liners. But this is good because I'll practice my wing line because I don't know how to do the wing tip that well. So this is perfect. It's just like a little pencil liner like this. Okay, the next item, last but not least, is this Itsy Bitsy Miniature Eyeshadow by Nomad Cosmetics in the color Tuscany Intense. Oh, in the color Cantucci. And this color, it's miniature. It is so little. This bag, I'm happy with the lipstick and I'm happy with the concealer, but I'm not really feeling this bag. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I actually liked last month's bag way better, but this is a nude shadow, which I have so many of these, you guys. I have not this brand, but I have so many of these colors, the same color. But yeah, it's just like kind of like a light brown. It goes with the lipstick, so that's a good thing. So yeah, that was this month's Ipsy bag. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. These were tiny. I wish they were bigger, so that sucks. But these were worth it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what other subscription boxes or bags you guys want to see me try out. And thank you guys so much for watching.